Mr. Rishabh is an individual age 56, resident Indian, furnishes the following particular of income earned in India. The previous year, he is purchased the first residential house during the lifetime 60 lakhs. First house, including stamp duty or registration, 1 lakh 80,000. Okay. And registration and his possession of house was complete during April 23. Okay. Loan was taken from his friend in the month of April 21 for purchase of residential house. Interest and repayments 25,000 and 1 lakh respectively, which are being said that loan during the year 2024. Okay. Rent received on the residential house during this 3 lakhs. Okay. A sale of unlisted shares on this 3 lakh 40,000 same were purchased on 9/1/21. 2 years he was hold. He sold a plot of land of 70 lakhs. The market value on 5/6/23 is a this plot was purchased on 25/5, right? Long-term capital gain. 15 lakhs from his friend, and the market value of the plot was 55 lakh on registration authority at the time of purchase. Okay. Short-term capital gain in a sale of gold 20,000. Brought forward short-term capital losses 30,000 on the share traded and recognized exchange as TT was paid. Compute the total incomes are rubbish. Inflation 272, 282, 286, 301, 371. So we'll find the total income. First you will see. Step by step we want to go. What are to go? First property purchase. Second loan. Whether the loan should be considered as an capital asset to be including capital asset or expenses. Then rent received. It is income from house property. Then what? Sale of listed capital gain, sale of plot capital gain, short-term capital gain, brought forward short-term short-term capital loss can be will be usually justified with the short-term capital gain. So in this case, unlisted shares, listed shares. Want to see that also? You see step by step. Income from house property 3 lakhs. Standard deduction 30% NAV. Interest on housing loan 25,000. So 1 lakh 85,000. This loan is got from a friend, not from the government. Whether it is included, it can be included in this case. So totally 1 lakh 85,000 income. Very good. Capital gain. Short term capital and sale 20,000. Set of brought forward losses 20,000 can be brought forward. Done. Short-term capital gain 0. Long-term capital gain on unlisted share 3 lakhs. Indexation benefit you give 3 lakh 46,000. So 3 lakh 40,000 46,000 indexation it is a loss. So 0. Capital short-term long-term capital gain on sale of plot since 2024. 70 lakhs. Cost of acquisition 55 lakhs. Why not 50 lakhs or 2 lakhs? Actually 50 lakhs was the value, but we paid 55 lakhs. So 55 lakhs to be taken. In indexation benefit we give now, we will get 768 lakhs. Different is 1 lakh 64,000. That should be less deduction 1 lakh 64,000. Okay, as per the stamp duty value considered for determining the income taxable under section 56(2) would be the cost of acquisition for computing capital gain in the consequent sale. Then less deduction of section 54 of purchase of residential house property within the year. So 164 1 lakh 40,000. This is the part. He sold his asset and bought another asset. Na. In this only this much percentage is exempted. This only 10 lakhs is taxable. That is 23,000. So 23,496 less set of the balance short-term capital. Short-term capital loss can be adjusted with capital gain, long-term capital gain too. So the brought forward short-term capital loss can be set off as a long-term capital gain. So 10,000. So gross total income is 1,69,000 plus than this. So deduction chapter 6A stamp duty and registration, housing property 1,80,000 stick to principal repayment. So 1,50,000 only maximum deduction. So 48,000 is total income or round off to 10. So for 48,470 it is a total income. So where?